Hey, this is shawnshawn here from shawnshawn.co. Today we're going to do the October contest. So that's going to start today, September 18th at 12 p.m. Hopefully I can get it up by then. It's going to be for, what should we do it for? A large painting? One painting? Two paintings? How about 10 paintings? Yeah, we're gonna do 10 paintings. So one of the paintings looks like this. They're all gonna be this size, this style, 16 by 20. As you can see, there's other ones here. These are all new paintings. They are not old paintings. The last contest I gave away some old work, and this is all new work, 2023. So is that crazy or what? $800 worth of art. So enter by September 18th today, 12 p.m. The contest ends October 28th, 12 p.m. midnight. And I will announce the winner October 29th, 6:45 p.m. Good luck!